showing you the LED upgrades on my Subaru Forester. So up front, I've got my LED turn signals, front fog lamps that are about 3000 Ks, and LED DRLs. These sea lights are factory standards here in the Philippines. My LED brake lights, turn signals, and reverse lights, and wait lights. So for me to not have hyper flashing with the LEDs, I had to put a new flasher relay on my car, which is this. This is the factory one. It comes somewhere under there, but it's too dark. It's way there under. It had a clip in it, and then you just remove it and plug it in. It's pretty easy. But today I'll be changing my interior lights because they're not yet LED. And this. So to remove these, it's pretty easy if you have these trim tool sets, which I got off of Amazon. Very handy. So to remove this, you just use this, pry it out. So now you'll be needing these types of bulbs for changing these. All three come with this type of bulb. I got them from Amazon too, from JDM A-Star. So far their products are great in quality, good color and everything. I've tested it on some of my other cars as well. So yeah, I'll be back when I'm gonna install these already. Now I've got to install these lights. Very nice color. But I can't find a bulb for the rear one, so I'll buy a new one, I guess, after from Amazon again. I would want to fit these because they're not really the same, and the color might not be same, might be off. But here are they. They are pretty good light, even with these black outlines. They lit up the cabin very well. Here's the menu. See? Very nice. You can see everything pretty well. So that's it for today, guys. I'll get back to you when I find the right bulb for this. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.